Rachel Harris here with ManagedMoms.com, and it's time for another Back to School Tasty Tuesday tip. Today we're making everyone's favorite, and that's avocado toast with some simple and nutritious ingredients. Let's start with the star of the show, and that's Brea Bakery country white sourdough bread. And check out the other ingredients, because when you see the plate, you know we're making something nutritious because of all the color. To make this, you're gonna need a radish, some grape tomatoes, lime, jalapeno to spice it up for the adults or leave it out for the kiddos, a shallot, garlic, avocado, and of course a slice of your yummy Brea Bakery country white sourdough bread. Now for time's sake, I've already cut everything up and I added it to my avocado, and I'm not giving you exact measurements because really you just want to do the quantities that you like. For example, I like a lot of tomato, so I put that in there, but just a little bit of the jalapeno. So do it how you want. Add a little fresh lime, yum yum, a little salt, a little pepper, mash it all up. And now for the fun part, and you know what? Include the kids on this because the kids can easily spread the avocado mixture on the bread. And when kids help, here's a good parenting tip. When they help prepare, they're more likely to eat it. So try that little trick. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell it. It is so yummy. The consistency is perfect. And then we're going to take our radish, which adds a little crunch. You can put them on there any way you want. I'm gonna layer them. I think that looks pretty. Maybe put a little pepper on top. Oh my goodness, look how good that looks. So simple and tasty. So give this a try and just head to your local fry store to get your own loaf of Brea Bakery. Again, today we used the country white sourdough. Head to LaBreaBakery.com and you can go to the store locator page to find other stores that also sell the varieties. And also they have a wonderful recipe page to make your back to school meal planning tasty and easy. So happy Tasty Tuesday, and I'm wishing everyone a wonderful back to school year.